यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा आगम प्रमाण पेज नंबर 107. Charvakas, they believe only in one pramana, pratyaksha. Vaisheshikas, how many pramana?
Pratyaksha Anumana.
Only two pramana. Vaisheshikas, pratyaksha and anumana. So here it is said, एतेन अनुमानात् पृथक् शब्दम अनंगीकुर्वन्तो वैशेषिकाः पराकृता वेदितव्याः. By this vakya of shabda nehana nasti kinchana, that even if laukika vakyadi hata anayanadi sansarga and yaga swargadi sadhya sadhana bhava, even if they are negated by paramarthika drashti, in vyavahara they are pramanam, and therefore Vaisheshika Nisheda is done. Tehi, te means Vaisheshika, Laukikani, Gamanaya, Ityadini, Vaidikani, Jyotishtomena, Swarga Kamo Yajeta. Ityadini, Tatparya Vishaya, Padartha Samsarga Prama Purvakani. These Vaisheshikas, what do they say? Laukikani, Vaidikani, Vakyani, this is Paksha. Tatparya Vishaya Padartha Sansarga Prama Purvakani. This is their sadhya. Means Vakyas have pramanam, they say through anumanam. Why? Because Vakya has yogyata, asatti, etc. Yogyata, asattimat, pada, kadambakatvat, they are the group of these Vakyas having all these things. Yogyata, asatti, and Tatparya Nirnaya, and Akanksha also. Patam Anaya Ityadivat, like Patam Anaya Vakya. So Ityadi Anumanena eva Shabdartha Siddhe. Shabdartha Siddhi is through Anumanam. Why do you need another Pramanam called Shabda Pramanam? Shabdona Prathak Pramanam iti vadanti. Katham Agamo Anumanat Prathak Pramanam iti Ashankya Yogyatadi Sahakara Janita Jnanasya अनुमान फलत्व अभावात् तथा भूत ज्ञान जनकम वाक्यम पृथक प्रमाणम अवश्यम अभ्युपेयम इति आशयन आह. योग्यतादि सहकार जनित. How agama pramana is different from anumana? So we say yogyatadi sahakara janita jnanam. The phalam of this is anumana phalatva abhavat. It is unlike the phalam of anumanam. And therefore, tatha bhuta jnana janakam vakyam is prathak pramanam. That vakya which produces jnanam, which has yogyatadi, that vakyam is pramanam in itself. Prathak pramanam. Avashyam abhyupeyam. It has to be accepted as pramanam. अभिपेयम् इति आशयनाः वाक्यजन्य ज्ञान च। वाक्यजन्य ज्ञाने च आकांक्षा योग्यता आसक्तयः तात्पर्य ज्ञानम च इति चत्वारि कारणानि। So in वाक्यजन्य ज्ञान these four are needed: आकांक्षा, योग्यता, आसक्ति and तात्पर्य ज्ञान. तथा च असति अपि व्याप्ति ज्ञाने विद्यमानेषु आकांक्षादिषु व्याप्ति ज्ञाने असति आकांक्षादिषु विद्यमाने संसर्ग ज्ञान उपलम्भात् न आगमस्य अनुमाने अंतर्भावः. If even if vyapti jnana is not there, as long as akanksha, yogyata, asakti, tatparya jnanam are there, sansarga jnana upalabdhi is there. Means sansarga jnanam will take place. Upalambhat agamasya anumane na agamasya anumane antarbhavaha. Agama is not included in anumanam. Agama is separate pramanam. अंतर्भाव न अंतर्भाव तृप्ते तृप्तेन अनुमान प्रमाणेनैव निर्वाहे पृथक् प्रमाणं न कल्पनीयम् इति यद आग्रह यदि आग्रह. So if Vaisheshikas they insist, agraha means they insist that still Agama Pramana has antarbhava in Anumana and Anumana Pramanena eva nirvahe. By Anumana Pramana alone, all nirvaha can happen. Prithak Pramana Kalpana is not needed. If they say that Prithak Pramanam na Kalpaniyam, so Vedanti will say, Tarhi मनसैव क्लुप्तेन प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणेन निर्वाहात् अनुमानमपि अतिरिक्तं प्रमाणं न अभ्युपेयम्. Then Vedanti will say this pratyaksha pramana where manah is also pratyaksham, it is indriyam, mana is indriyam, then the knowledge which is taking place through anumanam is using mind. Manasa eva kriptena pratyaksha pramanena, because mana is indriya, indriyartha sannikarsha janya jnanam pratyaksham. This is what you anumana people they say. Pratyaksha pramanena nirvahat. Atirikta pramana called anumanam is also not needed. Everything you should include in pratyaksha only. So this similar argument we saw earlier also, when somebody says, no, Upaman is not needed, it is Pratyaksha only. Sankhyas they said, Vaisheshikas they said, Upamana is not needed, it is Anumanam only. So it is not. You need a separate Pramana. Atiriktam Pramanam na abhipeyam. Anumanam also need not be there, just have everything in Pratyaksha only. You say, no, Anuvyavasaya is there. Yadi anuminomi iti anuvyavasaya balat abhyupeyate. Anuminomi iti anuvyavasaya balat anumanam abhyupeyate. Tarhi shabdat amum artham janami iti anuvyavasaya balat agamo avashyam abhyupagantavya. Then shabdat amum artham janami, through shabda pramana I know some things. Iti, this anuvyavasaya is there. On the strength of that, agamo avashyam abhyupagantavya. Then agama pramana you must accept, because that is also anuvyavasaya balat. Vyavasaya means jnanam that happens after the jnanam. According to that, I understand, oh, my previous jnanam was based on Shabda Pramana. Therefore, I accept Shabda Pramana. If the previous jnanam was Pratyaksham, then I will say it was Pratyaksham. Iti bhavaha. Now it is said, Tatparya jnanasya bahuvadibhihi anangikarat pratham upadanam. Everybody has not accepted Tatparya jnana. I mean, they, like in Nyaya, in Tarka Sangraha, if you see, there are only three. Akanksha, Yogyata, Asatti. Tatparya jnanam is not there in Tarka Sangraha. That's why it is given here. Tatparya jnanasya bahuvadibhihi anangikara. It is not accepted by many vadis, and therefore here it is separately mentioned to show that you need Tatparya jnana. And in Upanishads, Tatparya jnana, Tatparya linga is very, very important. So intention of the speaker or intention of the Acharya of the Shruti is needed. So this page is over. Next. Before we go to the next page, you can see that that Tippani that I sent. Everybody has it?
Yes,
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
In Mimamsa, they have two main vadas or two main siddhantas, Prabhakara Siddhanta and Bhatta Siddhanta. So Prabhakaras, they say the Vakya Jnanam takes place through Anvita Abhidhanam. I had mentioned these two words, Anvita Abhidhanam and Abhihita Anvaya, in the beginning of this text, around 5th class of this. But now we need little more of this. This is more of how they understand the Vakya Jnanam, both the Mimamsakas. Anvita Abhidhanam, according to Prabhakara, and Abhihita Anvaya, according to Bhatta. So I will read and explain. Anvita Abhidhana Vadaha, Abhihita Anvaya Vadaha. Iti matadvayam mimamsakanam iti prasiddham. Mimamsakas have this matadvayam. It is very well known. Atra Anvita Abhidhana Vade Padaihi Padarthanam Smaranam. Anvita Abhidhana Vada means Prabhakara. First, you have Pada. From Pada, you have to remember, or you will remember Padartha. So, Padaihi Padarthanam Smarana. Then, Smritanam Padarthanam Sansargaha. Whatever Padartha you have remembered, they are Samsarga, means they are associated with each other. That is also known through Pada alone. Sansargo api padaihi evad avagamyate iti matam. Abhidhanam means kathanam. So anvitanam abhidhanam kathanam. This is anvita abhidhana. Tatra pade eva shakti dvayam. In pada there are two shaktis. Eka smarika shakti. One shakti is where I remember the padartha. Ya jnayamaneva padartham smarayati. Jnayamana shakti padartham smarayati. Ajnayamana na smarayati. So if I hear something and I don't have the knowledge of that, padartha smaranam will not be there. So jnayamana eva padartham smarayati. Apara anvaya anubhavika shakti. Second shakti is anvaya anubhavika. It will give anubhava of the anvaya anubhavika. या तु स्वरूप सती वाक्यार्थम अन्वयम गमयति. This shakti swarupa sati. So in its existence, swarupa sati means swarupena vakyartham anvayam gamayati. It will give you the anvaya of the vakyartha. So anvaya anubhavika shakti. Atra mate vakyam eva vakyartham pramapayati. And so vakya will give vakyartha. This is one matam. Abhihita anvaya vadetu. The other matam, abhihitanam anvaya means kathitanam anvaya. So first in the other one, they are anvita, then kathanam. So in kathanam, anvaya is already included. Here, what is kathita, of that anvaya will happen. Abhihita anvaya. Abhihita anvaya vadetu padebhyaha padarthanubhava padarthanubhavaka shakti eka. In pada there is one shakti, padartha anubhavaka shakti. Yaya padarthanam anubhavo jayate. That by which padarthanam anubhava happens. This anubhava, ayam cha anubhava na smriti. This anubhava is not smriti. Napi anubhava. And it is not anubhava. And therefore it is called abhidha. According to them, iti abhidha padena vyavahriyate. That's why when we say abhidha vritti and lakshana vritti in vakya, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
This abhidha, actually that word is used by Purvamimam, Bhattas, which we accept. Ayam cha anubhavaha na smritihi napi anubhava iti abhidha padena vyavahriyate. This is called abhidha. Evam cha padaihi padarthaha abhidhiyante. By pada, padartha jnanam will take place. Taduktam. Abhihita ghatana yada tadanim smriti samabuddhi yugam pade vidhattaha. Paradrishi punaranvita vidhane padayugala smriti yugmam eva janyam. This could be there in Sankshepa Shariraka, or this could be the Vartika written by Kumarila Bhatta. Abhihita ghatana yada abhihita ghatana tadani smriti samabuddhi yugam. Like smriti, two buddhis will come. Pade vidhattaha. परदृशी पुनः अन्वित अभिधाने पदयुगलात् स्मृति युग्मम एव जन्य. But in Anvitabhidhana Padayugalat, by two pada, Smriti Yugmam. Padayugalat Smriti Yugmam. Smriti Yugmam means two Smritis. Smarika, Anubhavatmika. Means two Shaktis are there. Further, Abhihiteshu cha padartheshu eka shakti. Abhihita padartha has one shakti. Ya swarupa sati vakyartham anubhavayati. Swarupa sati vakyartham anubhavayati. Asmischa mate vakyam na vakyartham pramapayati. In this mata, vakyam na vakyartham pramapayati. Vakya does not give the knowledge of vakya. Kintu abhihitaha padartha eva vakyartham pramapayati. Vakya does not give vakyartha, but abhihita padartha will give vakyartha. And therefore, tatratru padartha dvarakam paramparaya janakatvam adaya vakyasyapi pramanatvena vyavaharaha. Padartha dvarakam paramparaya janakatvam adaya. Paramparaya, in through parampara, pada, padartha, then vakyartha. Padartha is a dwara. Padartha dwarakam paramparaya janakatvam adaya. Therefore, vakya also will become pramanam. Vakyasyapi pramanatvena vyavahara. So, according to Prabhakaras, pada has two shaktis. According to Bhattas, abhihita padartha has one shakti. But according to that, first padartha jnanam, then padartha jnanam will give vakyartha jnanam. So the main difference at the end of the first one, there was one vakya. It says atra mate vakyam eva vakyartham pramapayati. In Prabhakara, vakya will give vakyartha. In Bhatta, vakyam na vakyartham pramapayati. But padartha will give vakyartha. So just note this down. When this comes more, then we will see again. Further now, Kramena Akanksha Swarupam Aha. Now he mentions what are Akanksha, etc. Tatra Padarthanam Paraspara Jignasa Vishayatva Yogyatvam Akanksha. Padarthanam Paraspara Jignasa Vishayatvam. When Padartha, they are having Paraspara Jignasa. That is called Akanksha. Paraspara Jignasa Vishayatva Yogyatvam. Now, Kriya Shravane Karakasya Akanksha. When you hear Kriya, Yajeta, so immediately you will have Akanksha or Jignasa. Yajeta, what are the Karakas? What Karakas do I need? Kriya Shravane Karakasya. Karaka Shravane Kriyayaha. They will give all the Karakas. Jyotishtomena. Kim Kartavyam. Yajeta. So Karaka Shravane Kriyayaha. And Karana Shravane. When Karana is given, like Yaga, Jyotishtoma Yaga, Karana Shravanena. Karana Shravane. Iti kartavyatayascha jignasa vishayatvat. iti kartavyata also comes in buddhi. What is iti kartavyata? अर्थ संग्रह.
किं भावये कथं भावये
किम भावयेत, कथम भावयेत, and iti
केन
kartavyata. Huh? इति कर्तव्यता is कथम. किम भावयेत, केन भावयेत, कथम भावयेत. क्रिया कारक इति कर्तव्यता. लाइक कुठारेण काष्ठम विन्द्यात्. कुठारेण is the karan. काष्ठम विन्द्यात्. काष्ठ is the कारक. भिदी क्रिया और छिदी क्रिया छिन्द्यात्. छिदी क्रिया is kriya. So you have kriya, you have karaka. But if that kuthara you keep near the kashta, then kashta chedanam will happen.
No.
Kashta is there, kuthara you keep. Nothing will happen. You have to do udyamana nipadana. That is called iti kartavyata. So that is required. Iti kartavyatayascha jignasa vishayatvat. So one will have jignasa. How to do it? You have to tell me. See Tippani 1 and 2. Tippani 1. Gam anaya iti atra lakshana samanvayah. Anaya iti shravani. Karmano jignasa vishayatvam. Gam iti ukte kriyayaha jignasa vishayatvam. In Gam anaya, when you say Gam, when you say anaya, then what should I bring? Karma is the jignasa vishaya. So there is akanksha of karma. Gam iti ukte kriyayaha jignasa vishayatvam. When you said Gam anaya, Gam, what should I do? Anaya. तथा च परस्परस्य कर्मणः क्रियायास्य या जिज्ञासा श्रोतुः तद्विषयत्वं कर्म क्रिययोश्च इति. So this paraspara vishayatvam is there of karma and kriya. It will bring jignasa. Tad vishayatvam. That vishayatvam is of karma and kriya. Karma kriyayoho vishayatvam. And then iti kartavyata will come. How should I bring the cow? You say dandena. The kam dandena anaya. Tatra lakshana samanvaya. Second number tippani says jignasa vishayatvat tatra lakshana samanvaya. Now somebody says, okay, see tika first. Akankshadishu chaturshu karaneshu madhye. Among them, first akanksha is discussed. Kuta etat iti ashankya kriyadi shravane karakader jignasa vishayatva upalambhat padarthanam paraspara jignasa vishayatva योग्यत्वम आकांक्षा स्वरूपम इत्याह. कुतः एतत् इति आशंक्य क्रियादि श्रवणे कारकादेर जिज्ञासा विषयत्व उपलम्भात्. How it is? So if the shanka is there, when you hear kriya, karakadehe jignasa vishayatva prapti is there, upalamba is there, upalambhat. Padarthanam paraspara jignasa vishayatva yogyatvam. परस्पर जिज्ञासा विषयत्व योग्यत्वम आकांक्षा स्वरूपम. Akanksha is this. Means when there are two things connected, associated with each other, they are sambandhis. So, eka sambandhi jnanena anyasya smarakam. If you have jnanam of one, it will remind you of the other. And if you don't know what is the other, then you will have jignasa of the other. This is how mind works. Kriya. आनय इति क्रियायाः श्रवणे घटम इति कारकस्य जिज्ञासा विषयत्वम्. घटम इति कारकस्य श्रवणे आनय इति क्रियायाः. घटम आनय, so they are associated with each other. There is जिज्ञासा विषयत्वम्. दर्श पूर्णमासाभ्याम स्वर्ग कामो यजेत इति स्वर्ग करण श्रवणे. When somebody hears this, दर्श पूर्णमासाभ्याम स्वर्ग कामो यजेत, so then from that shravanam samido yajati, ido yajati इत्यादि इति कर्तव्यतायाः तत् श्रवणे करणस्य च जिज्ञासा विषयत्वम्. You have to add that. करणस्य च जिज्ञासा विषयत्वम्. So दर्श पूर्णमासाभ्याम स्वर्ग कामो यजेत. स्वर्ग कर्ण श्रवणे समिदो यजति, इडो यजति, तनूनपातम यजति. All of them are iti kartavyata. How will I do darsha purnamasa? Through these. ननु लाघवात् आवश्यकत्वाच्च विषयत्व पर्यन्तम् एव आकांक्षा लक्षणम् अस्तु. किं योग्यत्व उपादानेन इति चेत् विषयत्व पर्यन्तम् एव आकांक्षा लक्षणम्. Why योग्यता etc. are needed? योग्यत्व उपादानेन किम means why yogyata should be there. Only akanksha is enough. He says there are people who don't have jignasa. Ajignasoho api in the moolam. Ajignasor api vakyartha bodhat yogyatvam upatam. Because sometimes a person may not have jignasa. So he is ajignasu. Ajignasorapi vakyartha bodhat yogyatvam upatam. But when vakyartha bodha is there, yogyata should be there in that vakya. So what is this ajignasoho api? Third number tippani. ननु गाम आनय इति श्रुतवतां सर्वेषां न जिज्ञासा भवति. सर्वेषां न जिज्ञासा भवति. Everyone who hears something, they don't have jignasa. Brahma jignasa, everybody doesn't get Brahma jignasa. You know, this is also wonderful thing. Bhagavan Vedavyasi, he says, Athato Brahma jignasa. But sadhana chatushtaya, if it is very low, Brahma jignasa doesn't happen only. And they also must be wondering, how come I don't have desire to know Brahma? If Bhagavan Vedavyasi says, you will have desire to know Brahma. So there are some who don't get jignasa, na jignasa bhavati, tatha cha yesham jignasa nasti. Tesham jignasa vishayatvam api padarthanam nasti. Iti avyaptihi. So then jignasa vishayatvam will not be there for padartha. The jignasa is not there. Jignasa vishayatvam should be there in some padartha, like kriya, karaka, etc. Jignasa itself is not there. Then, so avyapti will happen. Iti chet na. तान् प्रति अपि तद् योग्यत्वं वर्तते. योग्यता इज देयर, अतो न अव्याप्तिः इति योग्यत्व पद प्रयोजनेन प्रथयति. सो अजिज्ञासोः अपि वाक्यार्थं बोधात् योग्यत्वम् उपात्तम्. That's why you see the first line on 108. तत्र पदार्थानां परस्पर जिज्ञासा विषयत्व योग्यत्वम is given. Why योग्य? This is the योग्यत्व. परस्पर जिज्ञासा विषयत्वम आकांक्षा. You could have said that, but if jignasa is not there, jignasa vishayatvam will not be there. This is jignasa vishayatva yogyatvam is there. Means, what is the difference in yogyatvam and only jignasa vishayatvam? We have seen this in Nyaya and in Advaita Siddhi. If there is a kulala, he wants to create ghata. So, danda is sahakari karana. That danda will have dandatvam. If that danda is there in the house of kulala, where he is going to make the ghata, so danda has dandatvam. Therefore, it is nimitta karana yogya. It is capable of becoming nimitta karanam for ghata utpatti. If that danda is in the forest, let us say it is a thick sugar cane. It is also called danda. It also has dandatvam. So it is yogya to become nimitta karana for ghata. But it was never used. But it had yogyata. So yogyatva means something is capable of that. So here paraspara jignasa vishayatva yogyatvam is akanksha. Even if paraspara jignasa vishayatvam is not there, yogyata is there. Yogyatvam upattam. And therefore, there is no avyapti. Yogyatva pada is given. Sweet tika on next page. तथा च जिज्ञासा रहितस्य वाक्यजन्य ज्ञाने पदार्थानां परस्पर जिज्ञासा विषयत्व अभावे अपि तद योग्यत्व सत्वात् न अव्याप्तिरित्यर्थः. जिज्ञासा रहितस्य, person who does not have jignasa, वाक्यजन्य ज्ञाने, वाक्यजन्य ज्ञानम will be there, पदार्थानां परस्पर जिज्ञासा विषयत्व अभावे अपि. Even if padarthas they don't have paraspara jignasa vishayatvam, tad yogyatva is there. Tad yogyatva sattvat. Na avyapti. So pada is given in such a way so that lakshana avyapti will not happen. Ityartha. Nanu atra सा अस्ति इति आकांक्षा ग्राहकम तदवच्छेदकम किम इति आकांक्षायाम आह. Previous page मूलम. सा means आकांक्षा. तद अवच्छेदकम च क्रियात्व कारकत्वादिकम इति न अतिव्याप्ति ही गोरश्व इत्यादौ. In that you need avachedaka. In that akanksha for kriya, if you hear, so kriya will have paraspara jignasa vishayatvam, karaka will have paraspara jignasa vishayatvam, iti kartavyata will have paraspara jignasa vishayatvam. Their avachhedakas are given. Tad avachhedakam kriyatva, karakatva, iti kartavyata, tva, iti kartavyata, tva. All of them avachhedakam, and therefore vakya like gaurashva, gauhu ashvaha, in that there is no ativyapti. Means that vakya does not have avachhedakatvam in the form of kriyatva, karakatva, etc. And therefore in gaurashva there is no akanksha. Paraspara padartha akanksha is not there. If somebody says gau, I am not expecting a word like ashvaha. I am, if gau or I heard, then gauhu gachati agachati, something in will be there in vakya. But according to this current discussion, when it comes to Mimamsakas, they always want some kriya. According to Vedanti, gauhu gachati vakya is pramana. According to Mimamsakas, they need some kriya. That's why they say kriya karaka iti kartavyata. Because if kriya is not there, like gauhu agachati, there is no kriya. You don't have to do anything. There is no karaka. There is no iti kartavyata. A cow is coming, what should I do? But that vakya is pramanam. Instead of gauhu agachati, hasti agachati, gajaha agachati. So then immediately you have to become alert. So gauhu ashva is not considered there having padarthanam paraspara jignasa vishayatva yogyatvam, and therefore there is no akanksha. I hear gau, then ashva, then vanam, then dhenuhu, then something, then something. There is no akanksha of each other. 4 number tippani. 4 number is big. Next page you see. अत्र सा अस्ति इति आकांक्षा ग्राहकं तद अवच्छेदकं किम इति आकांक्षायाः तत् तथा च गौः अश्व इत्यादौ क्रियात्वादेः तद अवच्छेदकस्य अभावात्, क्रियात्वादेः तद अवच्छेदकस्य अभावात् आकांक्षा असत्वात् न अतिव्याप्तिरित्यर्थः. There is no akanksha for gauhu ashwa because kriya is not there. Kriyatvadehe tad avachedakasya. Kriya and kriyatva avachedaka is not there. Means kriyatva as avachedaka is not there because there is no kriya. Abhavat. Akanksha asatva. There is no akanksha and therefore there is no ativyapti in such vakya. So first he eliminated avyapti by showing that even if person does not have jignasa, as long as yogyatvam is there of padartha paraspara anvaya, that is enough. Paraspara jignasa vishayatva is enough. And ativyapti is not there in gaurashva ityadi because they don't have the kriyatva karakatva adi avachedaka. 4 number tippani we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।